So we learn about microtubule, intermediate filament, and microfilament. Their diameter are microtubule composed of tubule and subunit with diameter of 25 nanometer. Then there is intermediate filament with a diameter of 10 nanometer with different type of protein. Then there are microfilament composed of actin subunit. Their diameter is 7 nanometer. Let's talk about another organism involved in the movement and different cell signaling molecules. These are the cilia and flagella. They are actually elongated appendages on the surface of the cells, and they help in propel materials, and they also cause movement of different type of materials and movement of cells from one to side to another. Flagella is actually involved in the movement of whole cells, like our sperm contain flagella, and marine prokaryotic cells contain flagellated bacteria contain flagella. And cilia is also found on many cells and many organisms, like consists of ciliary movement. It is our in respiratory system. There are the ciliary movement and other many structures where the movement of material takes place with the help of cilia. The other recently discovered function of cilium is that they help in signal receiving. There are many antenna on the surface of the cells of different type of organism that receive signal, and they're composed of different type of the proteins that transport signal from the extracellular matrix or extracellular substances to the intracellular, and changes occur in cytoplasm according to the particular type of signal. Cilia are actually very short, and flagella are actually long, although their diameter is closely related. Their diameter is also different, but their structure is closely related. They composed of matrix. They composed of tubule, and in which there is the matrix, and matrix is called axoneme or axial filaments. Their structure is called they composed of tubules in the form of groups, like there are 9 microtubules forming a ring, a circle, and there are the 2 microtubule in the center forming the structure of both cilia and flagella. And there are the basal body, and they started from the basal body, and structure of basal body is that they composed of only ring of 9 microtubules. And there are also dynon arm by which different flagella or cilia are attached to by one another. Here is their structures. These are the doublets, microtubule doublets, and 2 microtubule are in the center, and they are also attached with each other and attached with the central double tubules. Then there are the basal body. Basal body consists of the triplet microtubules structures, but no central tubules. And here are their dynon arm by which one flagella or one type of cilia connected to the other. These are arms of flagella and cilia. So here was the structure and of the basal body, structure of the cilia, flagella, and their functions. Flagella help in the movement of the material like sperm,